The President accepted to pardon most of them who don't have cases of murder.
We have tabled those lists here in Parliament several times, forwarded the same to the Prime Minister, forwarded the same to Uganda Human Rights Commission.
Are we handling some kind of amnesty process?
Right Honourable Speaker, is it in order for a new minister who seems to be a novice to come with excitement?
The Honourable Balaam has not been a government official, has not been a member of Parliament. These are risks we are giving to government officials, to anyone, okay, and had not received any prior copy of those lists.
I'd like to also lay the list of missing NUP supporters, which has John Bosco Chibalama and others, who, by the way, the Prime Minister told us was arrested and she knows where he is. I lay on table, Right Honourable Speaker.
You know, the best way to win an argument on this floor of Parliament is by being courteous to each other. That way you win many hearts.